let's talk about commanding people around that is in the usted and the ustedes form. Remember, usted is something that you have respect for, someone that you have respect for. So this could be talking to your teacher, to your parents, or just someone that you highly respect. Then ustedes is all of you, to you all. So if I'm talking to a group of people, or even two people, I would use ustedes. So there are a couple of steps when you do the regular affirmative commands in the usted and the ustedes form. Step 1 would be to put it into the yo form, put the verb into the yo form. Step 2 would be to drop the O. Step 3 would be to add the opposite ending. Now what I mean by the opposite ending is that if it is an AR verb, it would change to E. If it was an ER or IR verb, the opposite ending would be A. And we'll see how that works. And then I say like step 3B would be to add an N if it's in the ustedes form. So that's 3B. So let's look at an example. If I wanted to look at all of my students, and I was nice enough to give them all M&Ms, and I wanted to say eat. So, step 1 would be put it into the yo form. The verb is comer. So the yo form of comer is yo como. Step 2 would be to drop the ending. Como. Step 3 would be to add the opposite ending. It's an ER verb, and I come back and look, that ER changes to A, so I would say coma, and because I'm talking to all of my students, I'm talking to a group of students, it would be coman. I would tell all my students, coman. Now, try this for me on your own. The verb tener. I want you to put that into the usted affirmative mandato. Tener. Okay, what did you get? Hopefully you got tenga. Let's look why. We first put the verb tener into the yo form. Tengo. Then we drop the O. We add the opposite ending. It's an ER verb, so we change it to A. Tenga. So that's how we do the regular affirmative commands in the usted form. Of course, as always, there's irregular. I do have a chant for this. I did not create this chant. It was from the person who had my classroom before I did, and her legacy lives on, so I will perform this chant after I show you what they are. So, we have haya, vaya, sea, sepa, de, este. Haya comes from the verb I. Which you will never use that in an actual command, but just know that haya would be the subjunctive of that. So kind of ignore that for now, but it's part of the chant, so we really want to know it. Then we have vaya. Vaya comes from ir. Sea is ser. Sepa is saber. De is dar. And then este is estar. The reason why de is irregular is because it comes with an accent mark. The reason why estar is irregular is because it comes with another accent mark. So make sure you know that. Chant time. Okay, I know that you might be at home, or in the car, or in the bus by yourself, listening to my video, but we're going to do this together. Here's how it goes. Okay. Haya, vaya, sea, sepa, de, este. Haya, vaya, sea, sepa, de, este. Haya, vaya, sea, sepa, de, este.